If your SD card has become unreadable, is showing errors, or is asking you to format it, don't panic. In this video, I'll show you how to recover data from a corrupted SD card and how to fix a corrupted SD card without losing your important files. As you can see, I have this memory card connected with card reader here. Now let's connect the card reader to the PC and check whether the memory card is accessible. Once the device is detected, here you can see the memory card appears as a removable drive. But when I try to open it, Windows immediately asks me to format the disk before I can use it. Let's click Format and see what happens. As you can see, Windows is unable to complete the format process and the memory card is still inaccessible. This is a common problem, and many users lose access to their photos, videos, and documents because of file system errors, improper ejection, or sudden interruptions while using the SD card. The good news is that in many cases, the files stored on the memory card can still be recovered. So before attempting any repair, the first thing we should do is recover the important data from the memory card. Once the data is safely recovered, we'll fix the corrupted memory card and make it usable again. To recover the data, we'll use a free tool called Disk Drill. Now open your any browser and go to your search bar. Type here Disk Drill and then hit enter. In the search results, you'll find the official Disk Drill website from Clever Files. Open the first result. Once you're on the website, you'll see the free download button right here. Disk Drill is available for both Windows and Mac, so you can download the version that matches your device. Click on free download and wait for the setup file to finish downloading. Once the download is complete, install the software just like any other Windows application and launch it. I've already installed Disk Drill on my PC, so I'll open it directly. If Windows asks for administrator permission, click Yes to continue. Once Disk Drill opens, you'll see a list of all storage devices currently connected to your computer. Here, you can see my SD card listed as a mass storage device. Select your SD card from the list. Now, on the right side, click Search for Lost Data. Disk Drill will immediately start scanning the SD card for recoverable files. Depending on the size of your card and the amount of data stored on it, the scan may take some time to complete. To save some time in this demonstration, I'm going to pause the scan. However, when you're recovering your own files, make sure you let the scan finish completely for the best results. Even with the scan paused, I can already see recoverable files being detected. Let's open the scanned photo folder. Inside, you'll find different file categories. Let's open the JPG folder. As you can see, all the photos that were previously stored on this SD card are being detected successfully. On the right side, Disk Drill even provides a preview of the selected image, allowing you to verify the file before recovery. You can also zoom in for a closer look and confirm that the image is intact. The same process works for photos, videos, documents, and many other file types. I've blurred some of the images for privacy reasons, but once you scan your own SD card, you'll be able to view and recover your files normally. To recover the files, simply select the photos, videos, or folders you want to restore. Then click the Recover button. Next, choose a destination where you'd like to save the recovered files. It's recommended to select a different drive instead of the SD card you're recovering from. I'll save the recovered files to drive E. Now click Next to begin the recovery process. Once the recovery is complete, click Show Recovered Data. Here you can see all the recovered files stored safely in the selected folder. Let's open one of the JPG folder to verify the recovery. As you can see, all the photos recovered successfully and retains its original quality. What's even more impressive is that Disk Drill was able to recover photos that were deleted years ago, after successfully recovering all your important files. Now it's time to fix the corrupted SD card. As you can see, the SD card is still not working properly in File Explorer, so let's repair it step by step. Open the Windows search bar and type CMD. And select Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes to continue. Once command prompt opens, then you have to type some command line here. So first type here, diskpart. Then press enter. Diskpart is a built-in Windows utility that allows us to manage storage devices and partitions. Next, type another command here, list space disk and press enter. This will display all storage devices currently connected to your computer. Here, disk 0 is my SSD and disk 1 is my SD card. Your disk number may be different, so carefully identify your SD card by checking its storage size. This is very important because selecting the wrong disk could affect another drive connected to your computer. Once you've identified your SD card, type next command here. Select, then give a space and type disk 1. Replace 1 with your actual SD card number, then press enter. After selecting the SD card, type next, clean, and press enter. This command removes the corrupted partition information from the SD card. Once the process completes successfully, type next command, create space partition space primary, and press enter. This creates a brand new partition on the SD card. Now we'll format the card using the exFAT file system. Type here, format, space, fs is equals to exFAT space quick, and press enter. Depending on the size of your SD card, the formatting process may take a few moments. Once the format is complete, type next and last command here, assign, and press enter. This command assigns a drive letter so Windows can access the SD card normally. Once you see the success message, that's it. The corrupted SD card has now been repaired successfully. Let's open this PC and check the result. As you can see, the SD card is now showing its storage capacity correctly and is fully visible in File Explorer. And if we open it, there are no more format errors or access issues. The SD card is working normally again. Now, if you'd like to move your recovered files back to the SD card, simply open the recovery folder you selected earlier. Go to the disk drill recovery folder. Select your recovered photos, videos, documents, or other files and cut or move them back to the SD card. This way, you'll have all your important data restored and a fully working SD card. And that's how you can recover data from a corrupted SD card and fix a corrupted SD card using disk drill and Windows. If this video helped you recover your files, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Windows tips, troubleshooting guides, and tech tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.